What's up, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, I'm so excited to share this video with you guys because I have two favorite things that I love that I want to share with you, and that is hair products in Trader Joe's, baby. So I was just moseying on down the Trader Joe's aisle. This is my mosey. I peeped some hair products. One, these hair products are actually always sold out. That's why you'll probably never see them. And if you try to buy them online, they're like 2 or 3 times as much as just going into the store and purchasing them. But I do have here, dun, 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 dun. This is the Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Hair Mask. And I also have the Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Hair Serum. So these are the two products that I will be reviewing for you guys today. And let's just first start off with the price. Guys, this was $3.99 and this was $3.99. I don't know where we're gonna find another hair mask that is $3.99 under $4. Like, what? So I was able to find this at my local Trader Joe's. I will definitely link it below. On Amazon, if you do try to purchase it, it's like $11 or $12, which I don't understand why, because Trader Joe's is selling the product online. But if you go into the store, you can purchase it for $4. So I definitely wanted to pick up these two. I actually already used the hair mask in my hair because my hair is ready to go and it's prepped for the styling process. But just to talk a little bit more about this is the Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Hair Mask. This is meant to moisturize and revitalize your damaged hair. The first ingredients does start off with water, which is very good. There's also coconut oil in here, there's shea oil, there's 2 types of alcohol, and there's a fragrance and something called black mulberry. I've never heard of black mulberry. So the directions say that after you're done shampooing, you're supposed to leave this on your hair for 3 to 5 minutes. I left it on for about 10 minutes when I was in the shower so I could wash my body, and it underperformed. It really underperformed for me. This was not like a sister product. So this wasn't like a thank you sis, like come through with that moisture. Like, I love Trader Joe's still. This just didn't work for me. I felt like even though I was applying so much of this, which like half of this is probably gone by now because I used so much of it, as I was applying it in the shower, I felt as though it was not attaching or moisturizing my hair like it says it does. It moisturizes and revitalizes, but it didn't feel like it was at all. So this product underperformed, but if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, I will link it below. I was so happy just to see that Trader Joe's is trying to hop on like the natural hair products, you know, wave. That is so cool because Trader Joe's is one of my favorite stores. For those that don't have a Trader Joe's or shop at Trader Joe's, it's kind of like a Whole Foods in a way. I don't know what else to like compare it to, but it's kind of like not like an upscale, but like you can go in there and get things that you can't really find other places, which I really like. And everything that is in Trader Joe's has the Trader Joe's label on it. You will not find anything in Trader Joe's that does not say Trader Joe's. So yeah, this was the hair mask. Again, it underperformed for me. I need a sister product. I don't feel like this was a sister product. You know, it was great. It did the thing for $4. I'll take it, but we're just going to go ahead and move on from this. And again, I will attach this below if you guys want to try it for yourselves, but for me, it was just a no. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hair out so we can go ahead on. I have a cotton t-shirt on, and guys, every time I get out of the shower, I always go eat. Doing my hair is such a extreme sport. I burn so many calories by doing it. Like, if you have your arms up here scrubbing for 10 minutes, you're a pro. So go eat and refill your body. So I always put a little plastic cap just to keep all the moisture and stuff in it so my hair doesn't dry out for the next styling process. Let's take this off. Alright. So, didn't even like finish what I used in the shower. Hair is looking on fleek. So after I washed out all the hair masks, I did go in with the curl smoothie from Mayel. It's the pomegranate and this is the pomegranate and honey. So I kind of use this as a leave-in conditioner. That's what's in my hair right now. I can honestly say it's not acting as a leave-in conditioner. It's acting as a curling smoothie. Okay guys, so I am doing a twist out today. I just wanted something super easy, quick, and fun to do that's a low manipulation style, so I did choose to do a twist out. Again, the only product I have in my hair right now is the curl smoothie from Mayel, pomegranate and honey. This is what I have in my hair right now. I use this as a leave-in conditioner in the shower, and I am going to go in with the twisting souffle. I don't know why it looks indented like that, but I'm going to go in with the twisting souffle and the coil sculpting custard. I'll be using those two products. I don't know if I told you guys, but I did also use this shampoo in the shower. I'm pretty sure I didn't, because I remember I didn't tell you. I used this in the shower to pair with the hair mask. I love my L. Like, I really, really love my L. And FYI, guys, I have 2 different textures in my hair. Maybe more, but you can see these are both my curl patterns right here. One's just like poofy a little bit, and then the other is more defined. And this is through the perimeter of my head, looks like this, because I straightened my hair my whole life and it's just not going to grow. But the middle of my head and the rest of my head look like this. So I have 3C hair, and then I also have kinky hair that does not want to curl or do anything, but it's still really soft and pretty. So just wanted to show you guys that it's okay to have 2 different textures in your hair. As you can see right here, I got 2 different textures in my hair. So I am going to go ahead and just open up the coil sculpting custard. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is not a new product at all, guys. Wow. Okay. And I've used this in the past and I've liked it, so I'm going to use it again. And also the twisting souffle. It's more like a cream-based product, so we'll be using that as well. And we're just going to go and do some twist. Guys, I am finally done. That took me roughly like 45 minutes to an hour to install all of my twists. They are medium size in the back and a little bit smaller in the front. Just another heads up, I say this in every video, but I'll say it just because you never know who's watching. I do put 2 flat twists right here and right here. There are 2 flat twists in my hair. That's just where my hair does not want to cooperate. It is damaged and it's in the front, of course, so I have to put 2 flat twists in just so it doesn't look crazy, pretty much. But the rest of my head is in regular twist, and then I have 2 flat twists here and 2 flat twists here. I'm taking my butt to bed, and when these are dry, I might go ahead and perm rod the ends just because they're looking a little... They might need a trim. I don't know what's going on. But I'm going to go ahead and put some perm rods on the end so they're nice and curly. And I will catch you guys when they're dry. Deuces. What's up, guys? I am finally back and my hair is 100% dry. Yes, I'm rocking my Fashion Nova fit. No, I'm not sponsored, but I wish it was. But I'm going to go ahead and take this hood off. My hair is finally dry. I'm going to go ahead and take it down for you guys. Y'all, I ain't do my ends. Remember I said I was gonna curl my ends? That did not happen. I was just feeling like cute, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just rock out. These ends look raggedy, but we gonna go ahead and see. So I'm gonna start taking them down for you guys and show you how we're doing it. But again, this is the hair mask. It was a flop. I do have the Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Hair Serum. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit, figure out how to open it. There we go. So I have never used this before. It's coming out like a gel oil consistency. You guys can see. I didn't even read the directions. It's very oily, very like a light jet. I don't know. A serum. Put that all over my head. I am also going to go in with the healing oil from Naturally Divine Products. She sent me this, so I have been using it just to see if my hair has been growing, working, all types of stuff. So I will link this in the description below if you guys want to use it too. But this is some healing oil. My hair, my scalp has been a little bit dry because I have been washing it more frequently now. I need to start co-washing and stop using shampoo. But I'm going to go ahead and just put this on my scalp and rub some in, because my scalp is dry. Feels so good. Alright, and then I'm gonna massage my scalp, so give me like 10 minutes. Just kidding. Alrighty. I'm gonna go ahead and start clipping these out the way. I think I'm just gonna take all these, kind of clip them some type of way out the way. Alright, let's start taking these down. See what we're looking like. My hands are still oily, so. Okay, so I'm finally done taking out my hair. I am getting like rock star vibes, looks from this. It's super cute, but I do have a couple complaints. One, my hair is frizzy in the front and there was flakage. I don't know if you guys were able to see it or not, but there was flakage in my hair. I know it's because of my scalp is dry a little bit because I am washing my hair a little bit more because I'm on YouTube now. Yay. But also because of the products I use. I just don't think that the hair mask was for me. I tried to cover up the flakage with the hair serum. I don't know if it worked or not. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I'm gonna just do like 2 more pumps of hair serum just on my hair. It says it gives it like extra shine. I ain't saying no extra shine, but I guess for $4, what can you say? I didn't get the definition that I wanted. I should have curled my ends. I didn't, but whatever. Definitely getting like 70s mom rock star looks right now. And I mean, it definitely is cute. I like my hair, but I just don't think I'll be using these products again. They just did not work for me. I love Trader Joe's. I will continue to shop there, but these just did not cut it for me. This is the hair mask and the hair serum from Trader Joe's once again, and I just don't think that they're sister products. I don't think that they worked for me, and I got a lot of flakage, and I didn't get a lot of definition. You know, my hair did not like that, so I don't know. I wasn't feeling it, but that's the final look. We gonna make it work anyways. We gonna be all right, and we gonna make it work, and we gonna finesse this hairstyle. You heard me? Anyways, this is the final look, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. We are awesome over here, and we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. My name's Aleia. Deuces.